Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 14th of March, 2023. We're going to talk about Aave to see if their discontinuation of the stablecoin from their V3 deployment, if that's going to crash or lower the value of Aave. Welcome to the channel. You guys can see here already on this article from AMB Crypto that Aave had discontinued stablecoin trading. They halted the trading on this V3 deployment. Why? Well, you guys can see here it is right here from a tweet from Aave a couple of days ago on March the 11th. Here it is 3 days later. In light of the current volatility surrounding stablecoins, Aave DAO has frozen the stablecoins USDC, USDT, DAI, FRAX, and MAI on their Aave version 3 avalanche. This measure prevents new positions from adding risk to the system. Now, let's take a look. It's been 3 days. Let's look at the price action in Aave. You guys can tell that over the last couple of 3 days, the market hasn't really harnessed a lot of weakness, even in the midst of them pausing or halting the trading of those stablecoins. Is that a good thing? Is that a bad thing? Let's talk about it. But first, take a look. You guys can see that I did a price prediction for Aave going all the way back to November of last year. So here it is. This is the results of what occurred into the market in Aave at that time. November the 18th was the last video we was produced in Aave. Now, could we say that we're not surprised that Aave's price did not go all the way down to $45.60? Like, should we be surprised? The answer is no, we shouldn't be. Why? Well, because we already identified where buyers could logically be, which is this black horizontal line right there around $54.10, $54. That's where the buyers showed up. That's why the price in Aave did not go all the way down to $45. Now, I'm quite sure I talked about that back then in November. Okay, so if you was able to at least get some of that off the table into the market in Aave, 13.67%, or even where support was created, 8 3/4, congratulations, because this is the name of the game. Okay, unfortunately, the market didn't run all the way down to ultimate TB price, which occurs ever so often. But now let's talk about this though, because since we now can see that buyers come in the market for Aave around $54, then we just simply need to extend this over to the right a little bit, because we now can see that buyers are here. Okay, now, do you think Aave is in a uptrend or do you think it's in a downtrend? Do you think the market is simply trading sideways? To me, I think the market action in Aave is trading sideways. So what I'm going to do is create a trading channel. So the first thing we're going to do is create the overall trading channel in Aave, because this is the current environment that the market is finding balance. Whenever you see a market consolidate within two lines from left to right, that tells you that the market is in balance. When the market breaks out of that trading range, then it's out of balance. Okay. So right now we're seeing the market in Aave trade within a range. It's a pretty wide range. Support is around $54. Resistance is up there around 100, give or take. This is where it's at. Let's look at this market in Aave on the 2-day chart. Okay, and look at the last completed 2 days, just to give you all a heads up as to how bullish the market is. The last 2 days we've seen Aave literally encompass and take out the prior 4 days off this 1 2-day price bar. Look at that massive spread. So yeah, there's still some strength here into the market in Aave from a 2-day perspective, definitely here on a 3-day. So I am going to look for price in Aave to trend higher. How high? First area is only $5 away, or $4.50 away, right there around 80. Bigger areas up there around $89, $90. Okay. In the next 2 days and 13 hours, if we see the price, if Aave is able to close up here at the high of the bar, then definitely $90 looks to come into fruition. But I definitely want to put pause in the market in Aave around 80. So I'm going to do $80 as a first target as well. Okay. And then my second target is going to be up here around 90. And third is going to be at that top area resistance point. Okay, so let me go ahead and do this. I am done. We're going to do this real quick. Put this on a chart and let you all go. So we said the first target is 80. Okay, because we've seen previously on the chart that was resistance. That's 5.96%, $80 there. My second target is all the way up here around 90. That is 19.07% away. Okay, $90 or 89.90. And then my third area is going to be a little bit lower than 100. We'll take it here around $93 or $94, which is 23.58. You guys can see it, 93.30. And as long as Aave's price continues to hold this area around $65, we're going to look for price to go up. Okay, so I am done. Simple, easy. If you guys want to join me, go ahead and do that. Subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, go ahead and like the video as well. If you want to drop a price target just to try it for yourself, then go ahead and try it. Leave a comment. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.